What are these people looking at? Why are their faces like that? What did they see? They are looking at almost $500 million. Oh, I mean, the Leonardo da Vinci painting, Salvator Mundi. But why is it worth so much? Today you will find out why art costs so much, how many fake art is there, and why people are buying fake Mona Lisas. Let's go. This painting cost $300 million, and this one cost $300. Or is it the other way around? Well, figuring out the prices of paintings is really hard, even for experienced art collectors. Price of art varies depending on artist, date, technique, size, rarity, importance, among many other factors. However, there are big risks for collectors. One of them are fakes.
It went for the most money ever at auction,
Yeah,
didn't it?
it did 450 million, yeah. 6.5 foot Basquiat. You could take that and do the forensics on it,
Yeah.
and it would come back as genuine.
Really?
Yeah. There's another Modigliani there, Basquiat.
How often are you doing these paintings?
Every day, I get up every day and I work 7 days a week just because I really enjoy it.
Oh, is this a Picasso?
I mean, I do Picassos, you know. Sometimes I can do 2 or 3 in a day, you know. They're not that difficult. And I gave one to a friend of mine, he sold it. Someone bought it and they took it to the auction and they valued it at $1 million. And they had quite a lot of interest in it. But came out in the papers that this forger said it's his. The guy.
Even with the state-of-the-art technology, forgeries can be indistinguishable from the real thing. Some even assuring that over 50% of all art is fake. Imagine if only when Leonardo was painting the Salvator Mundi back in 1500, he had a magic ledger in which he could write who owned the real thing. This is where NFTs change everything. But NFTs are not real art. Well, I don't think so. In my humble opinion, art is any expression that causes an emotion. But we have been led to believe art is only great when critics praise it and museums collect it. But what would they know? They are not even artists themselves. At the end of the day, the only person responsible for art prices are the buyers. Take this CryptoPunk 8857 for example. Who are we to say this doesn't cost $6.6 million when this costs $186 million? NFTs are going to be everywhere. They will permeate into art first. Take a look at all the works that have been sold like NFTs this year. It changes the game completely, because anyone can have the original, but only one address can have the ownership. Even better, it solves the problems of fakes.